In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Studio CMS. Let's dive right in, starting with opening up your Wix Studio editor. On the left-hand side, you'll notice an icon labeled CMS. Go ahead and click on it. This is your doorway to managing all your dynamic content in Wix. Once you're in the CMS section, look for the option that says Add to Site and click it. Now you have a choice. You can either start with a preset or create a collection from scratch. If you choose the Start with a Preset option, you'll find pre-designed templates that come equipped with a sample collection and dynamic pages already connected. This is great for those who prefer starting with a ready-made structure. On the other hand, if you opt for Start by adding content, you're choosing to create a collection entirely from scratch. Here, you have the flexibility to either import your data from a CSV file or leverage the power of AI to generate a collection for you. Once your collection is in place, it's time to define your collection fields. This is an essential step where you'll decide the structure of your content by adding fields such as text, images, URLs, or numbers, depending on what type of content you'll be working with. Wix offers a variety of field types, including more dynamic options like rich text and videos, so feel free to choose what best suits your needs. Now that your collection structure is ready, it's time to connect these elements to display your content on your page. You can add elements like text boxes, images, or repeaters to showcase your data. Simply select an element, navigate to the inspector panel, and find the CMS connection section. Here, you'll see an icon labeled Connect to CMS. Click on it, and select the dataset that links to your collection. Ensure you map each element to the correct field, for example, connecting a text box to the title field in your collection. Lastly, managing your dataset settings is a crucial step to ensure your content is displayed just as you envision. In the dataset settings, you can control various display options, including the dataset mode. Set it to read if you're looking to display content, or switch it to write if you want to create forms for adding new content. You can further refine your display by applying filters and sorting options, allowing you to set conditions that filter and sort the displayed items according to your preferences. This customization ensures that the right content is shown to your audience at the right time. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Wix Studio CMS and creating dynamic, engaging content on your website. So go ahead and start experimenting with these features to see just how powerful and versatile your website can become.